Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a continuation of the series I'm doing here on my channel called Clear the Clutter. So I am sharing some decluttering tips with you guys and hopefully motivating to declutter some spaces in your home as I am decluttering in my home. I have so much decluttering to do, and if you didn't watch the first video of this series, I decluttered my master bathroom and got all of that done. So today I am sharing with you guys some decluttering motivation for gift bags and tissue papers, wrapping paper, all of that good stuff. If you're anything like me, I recycle a lot of gift bags that are in good shape, but every once in a while you get those that are written on or torn or just in not very good shape, and they get stored away with all of the other ones. Plus, everything seems to just get jumbled up and thrown into like the one big gift bag is what I was doing. So I definitely had to really declutter this and get rid of all of the bags that weren't good or paper that wasn't good, and just really find out what I had. And it's funny because I realized that through decluttering all of this, anytime I couldn't find tape, I just went out and bought new tape, and I had like 5 things of tape, which, you know, is not bad, but it just is funny because when you can't find something because of how cluttered everything is, you tend to just buy more of that, and you just end up with a lot more stuff than you actually need. But as you can probably tell, I am not only decluttering the wrapping paper and gift bags and things like that, I am decluttering this room. This room is the guest room. It's where I keep party supplies. It's where I keep extra decor, which eventually I would like to get all of that stored into the garage or another area of the house and not use this guest room as storage for that. But the garage is on my list of things I need to declutter, and so that you will be seeing when I finally get around to that. But I hope that you get some motivation, whether it's decluttering party bags or party supplies or gift wrapping paper, things like that, or you have a space that you need to declutter in your home. I hope that this gives you the motivation that you need, because this is just me tackling areas that are problem areas in my house right now and getting it done. Now, I am not going to be organizing in this video. That will come at another time because I would like to buy a storage tote for under the bed that I can put all this paper in. But for now, I just wanted to get it decluttered and get all the junk out. That tote that I'm working on right now is my Valentine's Day and Easter tote. That's where I keep the little bit of Valentine's decoration and Easter decorations that I have, or all of the kids' reusable plastic eggs, things like that, or the little dye boxes for dyeing eggs. So that is where I keep everything. I had a ton of little plastic eggs I had not gone through last year. So if you see me just like opening stuff and taking stuff out, that's exactly what I'm doing. So this is what I ended up with as far as tissue paper and recycled birthday bags, new birthday bags, just any kind of gift wrapping paper, things like that. This is what I ended up with, and like I was saying before, my plan for this is to purchase a tote to go under the bed. So yes, for now, this is going to stay in a little corner in the guest room, but it has been decluttered. I've gone through it. I've thrown away what is not good and kept everything that is useful. So now, and there's all my junk, everything that I threw out, I put in that big gift bag. That was a gift bag that I was keeping all of the gift bags in, so it was just tumbled over in the guest room closet. But like I said before, I will do another video on organizing this and share that with you guys when I get to that. In the meantime, let's continue decluttering this party bin. This is where I keep extra streamers and banners and things like that, and this just became a disaster when I was looking for some Valentine's Day stuff. Obviously, it just was not organized and I couldn't find anything, so I just completely tore up this room while I was in here looking for Valentine's Day things. So before I finish cleaning in here, I just want to give you guys a little look as to how the closet turned out. Definitely way better than it was before. It's not perfect storage, but it is decluttered and it is clean. So now I'm going to go ahead and just get rid of the junk that I'm throwing out or that I am donating, and getting this room put back in order and vacuum cleaning.
We got this.
Everything turned out. This is my pile that I am giving away. I don't really want to sell the stuff and I don't want to throw it out, so I'm just gonna see if I can give it away. And it's my husband's Domino's table that stays there, so the kids don't touch it. And then I hope that you guys have gotten some motivation from today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care and God bless, guys. Bye.
If only I had listened for a while.